Once the app is downloaded, the student must create a profile. When completing the registration page, the student is required to put in their address, school name, student ID, and first and last name. The app is secured with a PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition, and anytime the phone is unlocked, the META app is reopened, requiring authentication. Within your student profile, you will have the ability to enter insurance, payment, and contact information, and upload a copy of your ID. All required consent forms are also sent through the app once the student chooses to do a session. From the home page, the student can access a list of hotline numbers for emergency resources. They can also click on Match with Counselor, which brings the student to the Filters section in the app. Or they can click on Providers to get started. Once the student logs in, they will see a list of licensed providers in their state. If they click on the provider, they will get to see the profile information. This includes insurance accepted, fee structure, an About Me section, their specializations, gender, the languages they speak, therapy styles, rating, practice location and hours, and their credentials. If the provider has an orange circle with a triangle near their profile picture, that means they have a short video introduction that can be viewed.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to META Pro. I am so excited.
So we have filters that can be used to narrow down the choices to help find the best fit based on the student's needs. Our first provider is Miss Bell. Now let's go into the filters. For a real simple start, if the student is not really sure what to look for in a provider, they can simply answer how they are feeling. Let's select I think I have an addiction, and now you will see Miss Bell is no longer on the list because she does not work with addictions. Now let's go back into the filters. If they want to narrow it down even further, they have the option to do so. They can filter by gender, language, faith, therapy style, only show providers who accept my insurance, only show providers who are online now, only show providers accepting new patients, or they can search by provider name. So let's select a female provider. Now you see we only have female providers present. Now they can review some providers, and if they like them, they can hit this little bookmark and they will appear under the favorite list. This makes it very easy to locate these providers later on without having to search for them next time. So let's choose Miss Allen as a provider and set up a session for later tonight. See this little red dot showing she's offline? They can still select her and send a text. The providers will immediately receive an email notification and a text notification with the message. This allows them to respond quickly even if they are not online at the moment. Now you can see that there's a green dot showing. This means the provider is currently online and available. Since the student is now ready for a consultation, they can click on the profile and then click on the video icon to begin the communication.
How are you tonight?
Hi, Dr. Allen. I'm okay. I've had a lot on my plate lately as far as school and work goes, and I've just been feeling really anxious. So I just think I need some
Now we realize that not every student needs counseling, but every student can benefit from self-help tools on everyday life. Buzz provides tips, tricks, articles, and videos on everyday life topics such as online dating, how to budget, how to de-stress, tips on studying for exams, how to get better sleep, fashions, signs of needing help, and so on. And that is the student experience.